Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video I have another simple and easy tutorial for you. I'll be showing you how to simply add a website link to your TikTok account. So let's launch TikTok and get started. So after you've launched TikTok, you'd simply go to your profile and click on edit profile. So while this might be an easy tutorial, there is however a criteria that must be met in order for you to add a website to your TikTok account. So in order for you to do this, you must have at least 1,000 followers. So once you have that 1,000 followers, you would simply see the website underneath the bio, and that is where you would add your link. But because I do not have 1,000 followers, I am not able to add link to my TikTok. If you're like me and you don't have 1,000 followers, what you can do is add your website to your Instagram account, then link your Instagram to your TikTok, and you would simply encourage your viewers to visit your TikTok. So this is another solution if you cannot add a website to your TikTok account as yet. So if you guys liked this video or you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you for watching.